Hello, children. Since I turned 58, I've been back in the boxing ring to fight so that I can donate all the proceeds to poor children in the Philippines. And at the intermission between rounds, I don't sit in the store, I stay standing. And people ask me, why? AG, why don't you sit? And I say, if I want to sit, why do I fight? And I'm here to fight, not to sit. Also, the audience and spectators aren't here to see someone sit, but fight, right? Yeah, good news don't arrive in your mailbox, only bills do. So I fight mailboxes. Children, don't sit and wait to waste your life. Stand up and fight to taste your greatest lifetime.